I absolutely believe I'm going to make it. And when I am broke, which I have been, I just believe I'll make it. I used to call that living by the will of the wisp. You know, the circumstances would bring something by you. If you were in need, something could come by you like this. And you just didn't see it. You didn't know it was there. Knew that was going to ring. I'm doing an interview? Oh, well, shit, fire. Okay. Well, then somebody help me. Good God Almighty. I'm going to pretend I'm on an airplane. Okay, where were we?
That's a sea otter with a gift in her hand.
This is James Surls.
James Surls.
James Surls.
James Surls is an internationally renowned sculptor with work in the permanent collections of the Smithsonian, the Guggenheim, and the Museum of Modern Art in New York.
I have in my life gone into what I would call a high-speed wobble. It's a dangerous place to be because you're overextending. I have a propensity to overextend. I tell people I don't gamble. Well, I don't. I don't go to Las Vegas and put chips on blue, green, or red. But my whole life is a gamble. I mean, am I going to sell enough art to make it next week, next month? I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've got to next month and didn't. My son-in-law called me. On the way down the highway, they saw this log laying in a field. I could just tell I can't pass this up. I mean, how many opportunities in a day or a week or a month come by you that you don't take advantage of, either for true thought-out reasons or you just didn't see it. All I know is for a sculptor who uses wood, it's like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So I bought it. If I waited for a commission out of this log, I might die before the commission ever takes place. Very, very few of my sculptures have a destination when they're made. There's the right place for it. I just don't know where it is. But there's a right place for anything. If there's something there that I feel like needs to be done, I move directly to it. Not having the money to do it is a meander. It's a buffer. That'll slow you down. Having something else in front of it will slow you down. But it costs a lot of money to make sculpture like this. The log itself weighed 36,000 pounds. My 81st birthday is just a couple of days away. I can't lift the chainsaw anymore. But I know a guy who can. Aaron. He's from Oregon. He grew up using a chainsaw. He knows the terrain. Let me put it that way. You know, I tell people I still have my head and I still have my hands, and that's a big deal. I still guide the blade, make the shape, build the form.
We'll move that first.
Okay, guys, I gotta go for a little bit.
No worries.
I mean, the last week was pretty tough physically for me. I could not physically get up. That's a pretty bizarre feeling. I need to be home and I got the flu and I'm in the hospital. Not fun. Here comes the sick guy. Here comes the big opportunity. So they got to work together. I got to make it work. I make it work. I mean, I call myself Mr. Lucky, but a lot of my luck is because I get up early and go to work. So, man, it took every ounce of energy I had. It was tough. You just don't give up. You just don't quit. I don't have to will of the wisp anymore, at least not as much as I used to. It drove Charmaine completely nuts. It was tough on her. She paid the bills. And when there was no money to pay the bills, it's like, what are you going to do, you know? It's hard. Sometimes it's hard.
Oh, I see it. It's a piece of metal.
Well, shit. That's ridiculous. That's about as best I can do. There's an assumption when you're walking a tightrope that your gravity force is straight up and down. It's not off. If it gets off, you're out of balance and you'll fall. Being in balance is not an easy thing. I mean, we go through life with, man. Success even can bring a high-speed wobble. I move pretty fast. I can juggle a lot of balls in the air at one time. That brings a lot of imbalance to those around you. You know, that I can say, well, I can do it. Okay, I may be able to, but that don't mean that the people I love around me can. And psychologically, it's not easy accepting responsibility that you're bringing some kind of wobble to people you love. I don't want to be the core of a problem that they have. And in quite a few cases, it is me. So things can turn on a dime, man. I mean, things can just, and they're not always fair, and they're not always equal, and they're not always balanced. Oh, you have to have faith. Oh, yeah. You can't eat it. You know, in the will of the wisp world, you are depending on the wind blows. That I'm going to find a way. I trust myself inherently. I think you really have to do that. And when I made this, I thought, God, you couldn't paint that. It's just nature at its best. I feel like I have personally put together a body of work that looks like no one else's work on the planet. That's how egotistical I am. I believe in what I have done. I believe in what I am doing. But here I am doing an interview with you. So life's good. We done? This is a model for the Bush Presidential Library.